Hey, baby.
Hey, Mom.
How are you?
I'm blessed.
You're blessed indeed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Baby,
Yes, Mom.
what does good morning mean in Igbo?
In the by there,
Ndewo.
yes.
It's actually ụtụtụ ọma, right? What does I love you mean in Igbo?
I love you. It means mfulugi anya.
Mfụrụ anya.
Yeah.
Okay. What does go and eat mean in Igbo?
Jeleni.
Jelilieni. Good girl. What does go and take your bath means in Igbo?
Jesaru.
Jesaru.
Yes.
Okay. What does go and sleep mean in Igbo?
Jelalula.
Jelalola.
Yes.
Okay. What does gala of here means in Igbo?
Sebapo.
Sebapo.
Yes.
Okay. What does stop making noise means in Igbo?
Stop making noise.
Mm.
It means shut your mouth. Don't make noise here.
It means what?
Shut your mouth. Don't make noise here.
Okay, it means shush your mouth. Don't make noise here.
Yes.
Okay, it actually means emeznampotu.
Oh, emezinapotu. Okay.
What does your eyes means in Igbo?
Anya.
And what does nose means in Igbo?
Ini.
What does mouth means in Igbo?
Mouth.
Mm.
Mouth. Okay. Onu.
On. What does close your mouth means in Igbo?
Mechu onugi.
Mechu onuge.
Yes.
Okay. What does hand means in Igbo?
Aka.
Aka.
Yes.
What does
Leg.
leg means in Igbo?
Foot. Foot.
Foot.
My foot.
Yeah, your leg. What does it mean in Igbo?
Upper.
Opa. So what does ear mean in Igbo?
Nti.
Nti.
Yes.
What does head mean in Igbo?
Head.
Head, your head.
My head.
What does it mean in Igbo?
Isi.
Isi. What does go and wear your clothes means in Igbo?
Je wear clothes.
Jesus. Eh?
Je wear clothes.
Why are you laughing? Je wear clothes.
Yes.
Is what it means in Igbo.
Yes.
Okay. What does clothes itself means in Igbo?
Clothes. Aqua.
Aqua.
Yes.
So what does go and wear your clothes mean in Igbo?
Je wear aquagi.
Je?
Wear aquagi.
Okay, je wear aquagi.
Yes.
It's actually je yili aquagi.
Oh, je yili aquagi.
What does go and eat means in Igbo?
Je lieni.
Je lieni.
Yes.
Okay. What does
Je tattoo.
what does go and brush your teeth means in Igbo?
Je tattoo.
Je tattoo?
Yes.
Not not tattoo. It's actually je tattoo.
Saru.
What salu?
Yeah.
What is salu in English?
English. Go in bed.
Go and bathe.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me ask you this one.
Yeah.
What does give me water to drink? What does it mean in Igbo?
Give you water to drink.
Yeah.
Je nyemu water. Come no. Come drink.
You were speaking Igbo. Drink here is English. What does give me water to drink? What does it mean in Igbo?
Igbo. Ye nuwa miri. Come no ya.
Good girl. Say it again.
Ye nyemuwa miri come no ya.
I'm proud of you. It actually you're trying so well. I'm super dubious proud of you, my daughter. Okay.
Also me.
Okay. Thank you for being proud of me too. Neto Chukwu,
Yes, Mom.
where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yes.
What part of Nigeria are you from?
Enugu State.
Enugu State.
Yes.
Iminelefa. So you bad Enugu. Where in Enugu State are you from?
Amiofia.
Where in Amofia?
Abogugu.
Abogugu. Adabogugu. Adabogugu. Mini me. Smally mama ya. Ngwa kene ndi bai.
In the birthday,
We love you all.